So, Action, what is the status of today's game?
What's the game number today?
I think you should be coming better prepared. I think
14th or 15th game?
15th.
15th game.
at this moment it doesn't matter, but let's count from this is last.
Don't
fifth
ask
last-
such questions.
Is there a table?
Personal हो रहे हो.
What are these questions?
What is our group number?
Our group number is D.
Okay.
D.
And you did not know that.
I did not know that. No.
Conditions are unplayable today.
Unplayable.
Yeah, the boys.
ground staff is working on it.
Yeah, the opposition boys have done
Are
well.
these the ground staff people?
We'll turn it to players later.
Might do some shitty job.
We have some audience as well.
They are doing
Yeah.
some pretty
On the
shitty
ground.
job. Right?
Shitty job.
We have a bunch of audience.
Yeah, I hope no one slips over their shit in today's game.
That is very
I
unlikely,
think the
but
camera
sure.
should go to PC for this.
If it does, I hope it's Pisse, so
Oh
we can
my
laugh
God.
at him. And he has to do laundry. But yeah, 3 wins in 15 games.
ये नहीं बोलना था.
ये बोल
नहीं
सकते
बोलना
हैं.
था.
I think this is the one we need to win. We have to win this one. We have a good team today. We have plans to celebrate after Ronnie's
Mid-season.
I think that's the only new thing that we said today.
Yeah.
Everything else we say every game.
Irrespective of what happens, we're going to celebrate.
Yeah,
Yes.
we're gonna celebrate.
Yeah,
Our
is-
boy is getting married.
Our boy is
So-
about to lose his freedom.
Yeah. So we gotta celebrate and send him big. So yeah, that should be fun. But other than that, the game
Will game
would be
happen?
interesting.
Will the game happen today?
For sure.
Yeah, the game
time
should
playing
happen.
With the sand
If we have to bowl from the same place, we will. But the game will definitely
Please
happen.
join us over
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, yeah.
It seems like
Seems like you have a lot to contribute.
Yeah. This is Coffee with Karan, and we got KL Rahul and
मैं घर जा रहा हूँ.
करके आऊंगा. Karthik is like मैं करके आऊंगा.
Now, if you have been following along with us, as Anuj mentioned, we definitely had a very interesting season where we tested our individual abilities in different places. Now, today is the game where we combine them and play a match with all the strengths and weaknesses together. So, over to you.
आँख से आंसू आ जाए. क्या बोला है? क्या बोला है?
भाई रुलाएगा क्या?
मैं जा रहा है.
I think you were required. You are the guest.
हम लोग जा सकते तू नहीं जा सकता भाई.
And other than this, what do you think? ये सीजन कैसे रहा है और कैसे अगला सीजन इम्प्रूव करने का सोच सकते हो?
He's happy. His score is good. He was looking at his player stats and he was very happy last week.
But we should congratulate him. He's the top bowler of this season so far, guys. After
Now, as I mentioned, in season definitely was very interesting, where we saw some amazing interesting batting. Yeah, amazing knocks actually from Ronnie.
Yeah.
And for bowling, I think everybody contributed equally. Where we have this boy here, Anuj,
man, what
almost had a
comeback.
5-wicket haul. Yes.
Comeback of the century, I want to say, man. And then you putting that medal on
I think
Instagram.
from the moment where we would be like, don't bowl 5 wide in an over, now it's like take 5-wicket hole, right?
Yeah.
So I
That's
think
great.
Anuj definitely came a long way, and that's the same spirit we have to bring in this game. The team also has to come a long way to match up with Anuj today.
Yeah, with the chat GPT. Yeah, was very well
API
drafted.
connection है.
So Anuj, I want to ask you, what that avenge meant what to you?
I always knew I could play well. I told you a few times. I knew my ability. It was just to show it. So yeah, I knew I would. Like I don't know how to explain it. I always knew I will bowl well.
Very special moment.
Yeah,
Very
but
special.
showing it to everyone was a special moment.
Yeah, that meant a lot. Yeah, after a bad patch especially. Yeah,
Yep.
and doing on your prime now. I think you're doing fantastic, brother.
Yep. Thank you, bro.
Amazing.
There
Yeah.
was a gap of one match between when he came back strong. So what did he do differently in that gap? That one match you did not play.
Nothing. I just
Black magic.
I just decided not to talk to Pisse until I bowl.
So guys, that's the key. We know the culprit. It's Pisse.
Everyone has a pisse in their life. Avoid them.
Or bring them to a match where they can fall in shit.
But we also have a new member, Karthik.
Karthik.
Karthik, very few games, but you know, made a quite impact around the team, Mohal.
So,
We would say.
guys,
How do you feel about the team? How is it going? Where do you see, you know, promising performance could come along?
I
In future.
The team is good. It's like a party vibe in the morning. You know.
What about when they're going back?
I think it's a bigger party.
Going back has
Done
always
things to forget.
been a bit tough this season because it's always,
More often than not.
till the time we reach home. I think it's been tough conversations along the
But
way.
we did not take it very personally this
No,
year.
that's where we went wrong.
That's where we went wrong.
No. I think it's a good team. We've had a lot of new members, incoming, outgoing, but a few members have stuck. Not you, man. But it's a team that works well together.
Or does Bakchodi well
Bakchodi
together?
well together.
Yeah.
Works is Bakchodi.
Yeah.
Nice. Sid, in and out of this season, bro.
Yeah.
Any
Injuries.
injuries? Only injuries.
Injury plague season. No, it's been an interesting season as already said before. But yeah, I think this team has the capability.
चल रहा क्या? They're trying to get back.
Well, just a fun fact. If Ronnie did not mention, so best bowling average, Karthik brother has it here. भाई एक ओवर में तूने जो भी कमाल किया था पता नहीं.
He hired a guy.
He has the best bowling average in our team right
Oh,
now.
bhai.
Goldman outscored this. Said,
Surprise myself.
That game? Mercenaries भेजे थे आपने?
No, I think that day Karthik भाई woke up and decided आज कुछ तूफानी करते हैं.
अरे अभी कहाँ जा रहा
तूफान थोड़ा
है?
ठंडा हो गया बहुत
नहीं
दिनों
नहीं,
बाद
you are
आया
next.
Go,
Come
go.
here, अभी I think you
Talk
are just
about your
running
day in
away.
CBG.
YouTube पे जाने वाला मत.
नहीं ये सब नहीं बोलना.
अभी but यार you joined
No,
the
this
team.
design is better actually.
You joined the team this season, right? New lads, and did you feel welcome or not?
Yeah, it's been really warm and welcoming with the new team here. Like I recently moved here, so and one thing always keeps my spirit going is like I don't like losing.
Yeah. Oh,
Like-
and we have been only losing.
No, not that. Like
How is your spirit any high?
no, I'll just keep going with like
That's
you know.
why we all have to be.
Yeah, that's why we
fired.
all have to do that. Like each game, we just have to like, each game or like each match, each innings, we just have to like put forward and then put ourselves forward and then try to win. That's what I understand in the game. And then even if I am not doing good, like I understand each other's abilities and skills.
Do you
So,
say anything before you go play?
I tell myself, I mean, I understand the game and then the situations. So I have been playing like for quite a long time. So yeah, sometimes it's like bad season or like bad time or like bad phase, which I'm not in a good rhythm, but I still like keep myself like pushing to do better.
No, I think you've seen some fantastic shots. A big promising player, you know.
Big
I think he's
promising
gonna
player,
come
yeah.
As a opener lefty or top order lefty.
Hopefully, yeah, like some good knocks.
Good
upcoming
50
year.
centuries.
Hopefully, yeah.
Yeah. I
Definitely.
want to be on the other side.
Sure,
Having
definitely.
the
I would
best
love to
seat.
see him on. I mean, I love to be the non-striker while he's playing, but then yeah, I can give sometimes the other way around too.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah,
Appreciate, man. मैं तो बैटिंग नहीं देता.
Sackheads.
और बैटिंग की बात की और साकेत ना आए.
New team member. First game. Very promising.
Yeah,
Then keeping as well.
Keeping where, man. Fantastic keeping, bro.
Yeah,
How's it been?
been keeping since like almost 5-6 years now.
No injuries?
No injuries while keeping. Nothing.
What's the secret?
I did a lot of practice. Initially started my cricketing thing as a bowler, surprisingly. But then because of my shoulder dislocation, I had to stop it. And then I became a keeper.
A keeper, right?
Yeah, so it was nice. It was fun. I enjoyed.
Nice.
And I think the team is good. What matters is win or lose, we enjoy at the end of the game.
Yeah, we do,
So
we
I
do.
think that's the thing that matters the most. We come in the morning, play a bit, enjoy, and go happy, smiling. So
Yeah.
that's what matters. What happens on the field, just leave it there and go back home and the smiling face. So yeah,
Couldn't
it's
have
fun.
said that better.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fun.
And our young sensation,
The uncapped,
uncapped player.
the Erling Haaland from Ajax.
No, he's like one of the young Pakistani bowlers.
Oh my God.
उठा के debut करा देते.
Why don't you ask him who's your favorite bowler?
Who's your favorite bowler?
I love Bhuvneshwar Kumar,
Oh, nice.
and the second one is Hardik Pandya.
Oh, nice.
But then they both are such a different temperament.
Both are.
Who do you prefer?
My first preference
temperament.
always will be Bhuvneshwar.
Always.
Yes, but now since he's like not playing,
About to retire.
about to retire, so now as always King Bumrah.
Bumrah.
Bumrah is also like very good bowler.
So you miss playing cricket?
Too much.
Too much?
Too much.
Too much. When I met him, he said cricket is my first love. I can do anything for cricket. He said, you want to join the team? I'll do anything. I said, no, would you play? I'll do anything. बस cricket खिलाओ.
घर के 4 काम करवा लेता उससे. मेरे को मिलता.
ये बात नहीं है. यही होता है ऑफिस में, तुम यही करते हो.
नहीं भाई, दूसरों के नहीं, खुद के किया कर. ठीक है. चलो, but it's been nice, warm to see you, man. Hopefully you stick around.
One sentence to close us off. What would you say?
I will say that like since like I have played 2 games with you guys, like I loved like being here around you guys on the ground, and I will try to be continue as long as I can.
हम है ही बढ़िया लोग. जो भी आता है प्यार में पड़ जाता है.
सिर्फ आसिफ नहीं पड़ा. आज कबीर से करवाओ इंट्रो. बोलता ही नहीं है भाई कुछ.
भाई कबीर बोलेगा शुभम तू गाड़ी से छोड़, मैं जा रहा हूँ.
पता ही नहीं उसे क्या बोलना है. तुम बताओ तो सही उसे क्या बोलना है.
2 साल बाद बोलेगा ऐसे. बकचोद होगा सबसे बड़ा. इससे भी आया था तभी चुप चुप ही रहता था.
ये भाई थोड़ा डाउटफुल है.
कब चुप चुप रहता था भाई.
When was his last scene?
आज सिर्फ गोदी में बैठा रहा.
मेम भी बना दे वो वाला तो कोई
कसम. तुम्हारा ये एक दूसरे के गांड मारने का किस्सा कब चालू हुआ? Was it a certain time or you just started like?
Just started. Natural था.
एकदम वो कौन सी पिक्चर है पता है? अंदाज अपना अपना.
अपना.
सही है, ऐसा ही वैसे लगते हो.
भाई मेरे को
वहाँ पे दबस
वो जो चप्पल पहन के घूम रहा है.
दबस
बस नीतीश. वो नीतीश भाई हाथ दिखाना नीतीश.
नहीं, वो गांडू की नहीं
7-7 हाँ, डबल हो नहीं. 7-7. I'm not double, I'm 7-7. ऐसी बात कर रहे से रोज जीतते हम टॉस. भाई जब जीतते तब खुद सरप्राइज हो जाते हैं. सही में मैंने कहा.
आज
अच्छा.
तो आज जो है हारना था तो कंडीशंस वर डिफरेंट. आज का तो
अच्छा आ जाओ यार. अनुज कम. डार्क ड्रिफ्टिंग.
तू बुला ना मेरे को गेस्ट.
कॉफी विद करण में आएगा मैं जो गेस्ट. तेरा इंट्रो दूंगा.
नहीं, बात तो ऐसी कर जैसे कार्तिक के पहले दिनेश लगता है फिर इसमें.
दिनेश कौन? कार्तिक?
दिनेश कार्तिक.
बताओ, आज दिनेश कार्तिक बोल दिया है. फिनिश तो
तू
तुम
ऐसे ही करता है.
कार्तिक वो बैट है ना,
DK.
किल मत करना बिल्कुल.
Keep it in the.
No. It's a sword.
ऐसी प्रैक्टिस मत करवाई.
तलवार को ऐसे मक्खी मारने के लिए नहीं निकाला करते.
तू ये ले ले.
बैट बॉल.
तू इसकी गांड मार सकता है.
हाँ, तो उसकी गांड मार.
अरे ये सब रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है.
हाँ, चालू करते हैं.